Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about acorn squash, and I have a list of suggested food and flavor combinations that are known to work well with acorn squash. So if you're looking for some ideas, hopefully this should help you out. You can pair acorn squash with apples and curry powder. That's interesting. How about acorn squash plus apples and maple syrup? Yum. Acorn squash with cinnamon and a little olive oil. How about acorn squash with corn and potatoes? Acorn squash with cranberries and orange. That sounds delicious. How about acorn squash with ginger, maple syrup, and soy sauce? A little sweet and savory there. How about acorn squash with pecans and quinoa? That sounds like stuffed squash to me. I do hope this helps you out, give you some ideas, use up some of the things that you have already on hand, do something a little different once in a while. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.